Hey guys, this is Lynna, and I am in Philadelphia. I am on my lunch break, but instead of eating, those of us who feel a bit dysphoric, we go to get razors. That's right. I feel like I can't get a close enough shave. Crap. I hate that. Okay. But I'll have to get over it. That's the ballpark where the Phillies play. Baseball team. They're playing right now. I can hear them saying, "Now batting shortstop. Blah, 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 blah." So, anyway, see you guys in a bit. New York, I'm sorry, is way, way cooler than this. You know why? Because everything is so close. I mean, you could just do whatever. Here, I have to walk 2 miles just to get a razor. So annoying, and then I have to walk 2 miles back. So I'm gonna get my nice exercise today. Not as if I didn't already have exercise enough today, but, well, what can you do? I mean, you can't do much. It's like, you gotta do what you gotta do in order to survive. And I guess that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just trying to do what I gotta do in order to survive. Oh, and I got another call for work. It's really cool. They want to send me to St. Louis on Friday for Game 5 of the St. Louis Blues series. I don't even know who they're playing. You know, I do these games and I don't even know what's going on with, I know who won the night that I played, the night that I did the game, but I had no idea who in the world is leading the series, or who's playing in it. It's just like, "Oh, Lynna, we want you to go over to St. Louis and do Game 5 of the Stanley Cup playoffs. Are you available?" Let me see. Yeah. All right, great. We'll have you do it then. Okay. So, you go where the crop is. I don't know. You go where the money is. I don't know. You go where you gotta go in order to do what you gotta do. Wow, I gotta run because I gotta cross the street. Yeah. And it's windy out, and I have my long hair, and it's really just all in my face. The good news is that on the way back, it won't be in my face. It'll kind of be blowing like that, like a fan. I like that, how that looks. Anyway, see you guys in a bit. Me again. Well, I was just telling myself, thank God I can walk, because that's what I'm doing. Like I said before, 2 miles up and 2 miles back. And then, look at the sky. It might rain. It's drizzling. And I don't have a jacket for that. I'm gonna have to get a taxi back from the grocery store. That's what I'm gonna have to do. Anyway, oh boy, a wet wig is not very pretty. A wet Lynna would not be very pretty either. So, I hope that this is just a little drippy drizzle and that it's just gonna go away, because I don't need to get wet. Especially now. Especially now. Imagine I'm all wet, my hair gets all wet and soaked. You know how long it's going to take to dry this hair? I don't even know because I've never dried it yet. But it won't be pretty. I know that for a fact. Okay guys, I just about had a tranny emergency. And I don't mean to use the word tranny disrespectfully or anything, but oh my gosh, I was in trouble because the rain was gonna start coming down, and I don't have but a jean jacket on right now, so I don't think it would be ending up very nicely for me. And I have a camera meeting at 5. Meaning I should have just stayed in the arena and found a room, you know, like a family restroom, and used it, because what I'm doing now is insane and ridiculous. Thankfully the raindrops didn't get any bigger, or else I would have been in serious trouble. I'm already kind of in trouble right now, but you know, what can you do? It's like live and learn, check the weather, and then don't move. Don't go anywhere unless you really have to. Now I'm all sweaty, and my makeup's all messed up. You know, sometimes you just gotta deal with it, you know, instead of getting so like, oh, I got a bump here, or I got this there. I mean, what's worse? I mean, worse is like getting rained on, seriously rained on, because it was looking inclement before. I don't know what I was thinking, but dysphoria makes you do crazy stuff. And I guess that's what happened today. I am almost back. I think I still have like a half a mile to go, but the arena is right over there. And Lincoln Financial Field, where the Philadelphia Eagles play, is right there. And let's see. And the ballpark here in Philadelphia where the Phillies play is right here. And my arena is tucked back in there, if I ever get to it. Anyway, guys, learn from Lynna. Don't do what I just did, because if you do, you'll regret it. Yeah, you'll regret it for sure. For sure. Did I say for sure? Oh yeah. Because I'm totally regretting this right now. Totally. Wig's all funked out. Well. Huh. You guys see it. I see it. Hopefully I'll get back in one piece. Almost there. You probably can't even hear me, it's so windy out. Oh God. Stupid, 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 stupid. Did I say stupid? I think I did. Stupid. That's what I've been saying to myself this whole time. Stupid. Gosh, it's just like, it's just so lame. I hate Philadelphia now. You know why? Nothing's close. You've got your football fields, you've got your hockey stadiums or whatever they are, and you've got your baseball fields in the background, but you don't have a 7-Eleven down the street. You're stupid. Victory is in sight. Victory! Yay! I get to go back to the arena without rain on my head and freezing cold temperatures, but it's not. It's kind of warm out today. Yes. I'm making it intact to live for another day. Again. I won't do that again. Honestly, I won't. If I have any issues with bumps on my face, I will take care of them with a blunt end of a razor before I dare do this kind of thing again. It just isn't worth it, you know? The chances you take. I mean, girls, when you're not a guy, you can't do the same things that you used to do. You don't have the freedom to do whatever you want. You know what I mean? You've got hair to deal with, you got makeup to deal with. You know, back in the day, I could just like, oh my gosh, just walk on out, do whatever. Can't do so much. Nope. Can't do so much anymore. No mo. That's right. No mo. Plus it's cooler out there. In there. Much cooler.